Okay, let's see one question on trigonometry. So you are told a flower pot is kept on a table. So let's say there is a table, okay, which is on a particular height from the ground, right? A flower pot is kept on the top of the table. So there is a flower pot which is standing here, okay. From a distance on the ground, the angle of elevation of the pot top and top of the table is 60 degree and 45 degree respectively. So let's call this point as point P. So what I know is that the angle of elevation of the top of the pot from this point and angle of elevation of the wooden table are basically 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. If the height of the pot is 2.4 meter, so I know that this distance is 2.4 meter. Find the height of the table. So I need to find out this height of the table. Let me call this as x. Okay, and let me label this as PQRS. This is right angle. Now I know these particular degree, but the thing is that I really don't know what is the value of hypotenuse in either of these cases. But what I notice is that in both the triangle, namely PQR and PSR, PR is common. So therefore, when I find out the relationship, I should use PR, because then only I can derive some kind of an equation which can help me to solve out this problem. And this side, because the dimensions are given, and in any case I have to consider that, right? So I conclude, what is the relationship insofar as if you take this angle, let's say in triangle PSR, what's the relationship between this side and this side? This is side opposite and this is side adjacent, right? So the relationship between them can be represented as tan 45 degree is equal to, so tan 45 degree is equal to SR upon PR. SR I have taken as x, PR I don't know, and tan 45 degree is 1, or PR is equal to x, right? Let's put this as equation 1. Similarly, tan 60 degree is equal to QR upon PR, or QR is what? X plus 2.4 centimeter is equal to tan PR is equal to tan 60 degree, which is nothing but root 3, which also gives me that PR is equal to x plus 2.4 divided by root 3. 2. Now if you look at equation 1 and equation 2, both of them are equal to PR. So if I put these things together, I get x is equal to x plus 2.4 divided by root 3, which implies that root 3x minus x is equal to 2.4, or x root 3 minus 1 is equal to 2.4. Hence x is equal to 2.4 divided by root 3 minus 1. And this is what we had to find out. We had to find out the length of the table, which was x. So x I have got as 2.4 divided by root 3 minus 1, and that's the answer. Okay.